Hello everyone. This is FinTalk with Alex. I will tell you the 10 types of taxes. 1. Income tax. Income tax is a tax on your earnings or income. Different types of income, such as wages, salaries, business profits, and investment gains, may be subject to income tax. Tax rates often increase as your income level rises. 2. Sales tax or value-added tax, VAT. Sales tax and VAT are consumption-based taxes that are applied to the purchase of goods and services. Sales tax is usually applied directly to the final sale price, while VAT is added at each stage of production and distribution. The end consumer ultimately bears the burden of these taxes. 3. Property tax. Property tax is assessed on the value of real estate properties you own. This can include land, buildings, and sometimes even personal property. Local governments often use property tax revenue to fund public services and infrastructure. 4. Corporate tax. Corporate tax is a tax on the profits earned by businesses and corporations. The tax rate can vary based on the company's size and location. Some countries have different tax rates for small businesses or certain industries. 5. Capital gains tax. Capital gains tax is levied on the profits earned from selling assets like stocks, real estate, or other investments. The tax rate may differ depending on how long you held the asset, short-term versus long-term gains. 6. Inheritance tax/estate tax. These taxes are imposed on the transfer of assets after a person's death. The tax rate and exemption thresholds can vary widely. Some jurisdictions exempt small estates or provide deductions for certain assets. 7. Gift tax. Gift tax applies to the transfer of assets from one person to another without any monetary exchange. There are often exemptions for gifts under a certain value. 8. Excise tax. Excise taxes are typically imposed on specific goods like alcohol, tobacco, gasoline, and certain luxury items. These taxes are often used to discourage consumption of these items and generate revenue. 9. Import/customs duties. Import or customs duties are taxes imposed on goods imported into a country. These taxes help protect domestic industries and generate revenue for the government. 10. Payroll tax. Payroll taxes are collected from employees' wages to fund government programs like Social Security, Medicare, and unemployment benefits. It's crucial to understand the tax laws that apply to you, whether you're an individual or a business entity. Non-compliance with tax laws can result in penalties, fines, or legal consequences. If you have specific questions about tax laws, it's recommended to consult with a qualified tax professional or a CPA. This is prepared by FinTalk with Alex for you.